Hello, content writers. I am Amar, an experienced SEO content writer and founder at Digitech Glide. In this video, you will learn how to write SEO friendly website blog for an e-commerce brand. Before that, if you are watching us for first time, do subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. So, in this video, let us start with a blog for an e-commerce brand. So for example, I have taken woolen wear to explain you how I will write an SEO friendly blog using ChatGPT. So for woolen wear, I have already created a prompt using chat to write a content using ChatGPT. So let us start writing content directly. So in the first prompt, I will ask ChatGPT that, "Hi ChatGPT, I want to write a website blog on topic best winter outfit for office and daily wear for an e-commerce clothing brand." But I will ask ChatGPT to not write anything and just take this input. So I will share this prompt to ChatGPT. In the second prompt, I will ask ChatGPT to take more inputs where I will share brand name, brand website to analyze it, where I will mention the project name is woolen wear and website is given. Then please analyze the website and its products positioning before writing. And don't generate any content now because I am sharing some more inputs in next prompts. So I am sharing this to ChatGPT. Yeah, it has analyzed the website. Now, in the next prompt, what I will do, I will share some competitor references to help the tool understand what type of content I expect and what type of content competitors are writing. So, I have already taken some references from Google. I am sharing those. So, let us share and see what it suggests. Okay, so let us see what it is suggesting. Okay. Now in the next prompt, I will give more inputs to ChatGPT where I will ask him to act as SEO content writer and strategist with knowledge of Google algorithms, e-commerce content writing, and writing for clothing brands. Then this expertise will help you to create a SEO optimized structure for the blog. So let us share this prompt to ChatGPT and see what it does. It has suggested something, but I am not expecting this to be a perfect outline because I want some more inputs to be given to ChatGPT. So I will get custom output. So let us wait. In the next prompt, what I will suggest is I will ask ChatGPT to create a detailed outline for the blog best winter outfit for office and daily wear, where I will ask to use H1, H2, and H3 properly, and also ask to include 4 to 5 user generated frequently asked questions. And the blog will be for 2025 according to latest trends, then according to Indian target audience. Then I will also ask GPT to create outline in where it will include listicle products from woolen wear brand, where it will take products from woolen wear website like this. Let us take an example for go to thermal wear and I will ask to take inputs from these products and create a listicle outline. So let us give this prompt and I will also ask to not write anything and only create outline. So let's see what type of outline it gives. So it has given something. Firstly, it has given introduction, then why choose us. Then yeah, according to my expectation, it has given some products like classic blazer, formal shirt, woolen dress, layered look, like that. Then uh, it has separated products in some categories. So outline is perfect. So let me do one thing. Uh, in the next prompt, I will ask GPT to follow some more guidelines before writing the content. So guidelines will be, I will make a slight change here where uh, and like I have made a slight change where outline is perfect. Now I will ask GPT to write 800 to 1000 word blog with following guidelines, and the guidelines will include the content should be checked using zero GPT, Copylix, and Quillbot for AI detection. Means the content should be human written. Then it should pass Grammarly and Dupli checker for plagiarism and grammar. Then the tone will be conversational, informative, and confident. Now, for simple writing, I will ask GPT to write content in active voice and simple Indian English. Then, uh, as a part of more inputs, I have mentioned primary and secondary keywords, and also mentioned where the keyword should be used. Like primary keyword should be used in introduction, one heading, and conclusion. Also in FAQ. Secondary keywords can be used naturally in content that I have mentioned. Then sometimes GPT or any writer by mistakenly uses competitor brand name in the content. So I have given a special instruction where I will ask GPT to avoid mentioning brand name in the content. Then CTA will be there with brand name mentioned in the CTA, and that should be one or two times mostly. And also I will share some inputs like introduction should be ADA style with it will create some attention and engage users whenever someone is coming on the website. Then it will help ChatGPT not to write content in words like in today's competitive world or like that it generally follows if it is not trained properly. Then uh, second instruction will be the detailed body with actionable tips and relevant products. So this is already followed because ChatGPT has already picked some products from website as a part of listicle article. Then professional conclusion will be there with strong CTA. Then if frequently asked questions are already there, so I will remove this, or let us keep it keep as it is. Then I will ask to add meta title and description. Then I will also ask GPT not to use symbols like this in the content. And one more input I will give. So I have added one more input where uh, there won't be any emoji and no horizontal lines will be mentioned in the content. So I can directly copy and paste it in my document. So what I will do, I will copy this prompt and share it to ChatGPT where we will get final content. So meanwhile, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you are generating content using ChatGPT, even after prompting, don't publish it directly because you will be finding that some mistakes like even if you give a prompt like don't use this symbol, don't use that symbol, ChatGPT will not follow that properly. So we need to review the content properly and make some minor changes in the content manually. So I hope you will follow that. Then let's see what type of content it has given. So yeah, content is looks like with good introduction, some catchy style, and it has also targeted some locations. It has followed the guidelines properly. So I will copy this content and compile it in a document. And after reviewing this, I will send it for upload. Now, uh, do you want to learn more about content writing, SEO, and digital marketing? You can connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you want to join our community for freelance opportunities, then for training resources and job opportunities, or maybe networking, you can connect me and DM me community. I will send you the invite link. Thank you.